And they actually burnt gas to keep it warm in here.
And these two lines, it's a gap.
Well, this line is a sucker. This is the thing that pulls. See, this goes back to that wheel. We'll have to go look, but see, this this whole thing would move, and this time it should be dragging on the ground. Just all it does is go back and forth like a surface pump.
That's bizarre.
Except it's laterally on the ground. So we kind of need to go back this way for a sec.
Look at that, man.
So
you can still smell all the
yeah.
That's really cool. And that's the
Well, somehow
rod
that
at the
belt
other end.
runs something. I'm not sure what.
I was gonna try to see if there was a.
Walk down the other direction.
It says CW North. I'm seeing if there's something like a make on the side of the engine or something. That'd be pretty cool. It's pretty clean in here. I wonder if like
Huh?
I'm surprised it's not more like that's really neat.
As that wheel goes around, it would do this, right? You with me?
Yeah.
So it would actually be pulling those rods back and forth. So basically it was a lateral pull. They got another well up there and a well back there. They may have had several. This one in Kansas had about 5 or 6 of them. There, look, you can see that line going in the trees.
Yeah. Is this the old wellhead, you think? What? Yeah.
That's just a brace.
Oh yeah, that's all it is.
Okay, that's a brace. Wow. They're not producing any oil anymore. They're flowing gas.